This is the upstairs, the south indoor air handler is the upstairs indoor air handler, and the north indoor air handler is the downstairs indoor air handler. And from what I can tell, this just scared the bejesus out of me, to be honest. Walking across this gas pipe and all these electric cables, and obviously I'm walking between two rafters. I don't even know if this can support my weight, and I just really, it was frightful getting over here, and I can't get over there too much. It looks like this safety pan, looks like the upstairs safety pan has been replaced. The evaporator coil, if you'll see, that's the emblem for the door. This is where the gas enters the north indoor air handler. The evaporator coil, the piping, like this one, it's on the wrong side. The evaporator coils were installed backwards on both of these units. You have to stand over here to service the evaporator coil. You have to stand over there to service the furnace. All that should be accessible from one side with a service platform, which we do not have. We do not have a service platform, and the evaporator coil is installed backwards. And I'm not sure. Let's do a safety training video. No, I can't even get. It's gonna be. Can I lose my flashlight? Great. Just see if I can do it. Jeez, I don't even know what I'm stepping. No, that's just so wrong. What can I see over here? Not much. If it's anything like this one, over here we do not, our primary is insulated, but we do not have a P-trap, and we got rust and rusty water inside of the pan. Maybe I'll just take a picture of that. Oh, this looks original. I can't read the labels on it. This is just, it's just wrong. It is properly supported. Do not have care and use manuals. We got rigid air duct. Now I'm stepping on top of electrical wires and gas piping. This is just not right. Well, the pan looks pretty good on this side. Does that mean it looks, is that a clue? On the high side the pan looks good. On the low side it didn't look so good. Is that going to be the same for both of them? Interesting to know. Do not have a sediment trap for our gas line over here. This is the service side again. This is not the service side for the evaporator coil. Why were they mismatched like that? And if that evaporator coil over there was replaced, and it might not have been, if it was replaced, why they replace it again backwards? It's downstairs, like I said. We got some long leads coming out at the top of the cabinet right there. Alright, see the wires coming out through that grommet. Not quite done. Now here's another thing. I can't get into these furnace cabinets. I don't have service platform. I mean, really? That's what I'm... So I can't determine that the gas piping was bonded. So when I was doing an exterior video, I was talking about gas piping might have been bonded at the furnaces. We don't know that.